Hello, all you wonderful people in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So I'm going to try something a little different today. I'm going to try doing a dirty flip cup as well as a straight pour on the same canvas side by side. I'll be using all the same colors, all the same additives. I'm just curious to see what the difference would look like on the same canvas. I am starting on a blank canvas other than that little smudge there. It's just a thumbprint from when I was preparing everything. The colors today are going to be black, which has alcohol in it, the gold, which has some dish soap, silver, which has some spray deodorant, and the pink, which has... what did I put in the pink? Oh, baby oil, mineral oil. And of course, otherwise, they all have, as per usual, the PVA glue and water. And so first, I'm just going to get a dirty cup ready. I'm going to try to get roughly the same amount of paint. I doubt I'll accomplish that, but I'll certainly try. That, no, I think I'll put just a little bit more in there. Okay, that ought to do it. So I'm just going to give that just a tiny bit of a stir. And get that on the canvas. There we go. All right, now while that's sitting, we'll go ahead and do our straight pour. Let's get these popsicle sticks out of the way. Oh, I started with black, didn't I? All right. I'm certain the amounts won't be exact, but that's all right. I'm more just curious to see the difference side by side. Got some drips, but that's alright, so I'm going to cover it up momentarily. Almost done here. Alright, that should be more than enough. I'll just leave it over to the side here just in case I do need some. It'll be there available. So let's go ahead and get the cup off. just because I did the same sort of thing with the cup. I'm just going to torch it real quick. You can only tell quite a difference already, I'm sure. At least I know I can. So that's... Wow. Maybe time for a new lighter soon. This one's almost dead, I think. Alright, so let's get this moving around and we'll see what we end up with. As I mentioned, it is on a dry canvas. Definitely a huge difference between the sides. All right, now get those other corners. Last corner. Last one always seems to take a while. And there we go. Alright. Just gather up a bit of paint and make sure I get all full coverage on the sides and the corners. Looks like I kind of favored the flip cup pour. I see a lot of cells going on there. You can see right about there is the cutoff. So not quite the half and half I was looking for. Let me see if I can move that over a little bit. Part of it's moving. Just want the straight pour to have some representation as well. All right, well, got a little more. Kind of goes like that now. A few tiny cells on the straight pour. You can see all sorts of cells on the other side, on the dirty pour. So I think I'm going to go ahead and see if I can torch that one more time, then let it sit a bit and see what we end up with. See if I have enough juice in here. Alright, so as I said, we'll go ahead. We're going to let that sit. Give a good half hour or so. And we'll see if anything else pops up or what may happen. Alright, so it's been about, well, I guess closer to 45 minutes. It's sat for a while. Not a great deal of change. There in the silver, you can see some small cells formed. Definitely a huge difference between the flip cup, the dirty flip cup, and the straight pour. Way more cells, a much bigger cell formation over on the flip cup. And of course on the straight pour, you also see, well, some cells, but definitely the colors didn't blend in as much. They're far bolder, more distinct. So I guess just depends on your aesthetic, which you prefer more, ultimately. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and that way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.